The Fusion 360 Additive Build Extension provides cost-effective access to advanced tools, allowing you to simplify your workflows and make better use of your additive manufacturing hardware. Create toolpaths for metal powder bed fusion machines. Select your machine from an extensive cloud library of metal additive manufacturers. Utilize standard print settings or develop custom settings, which can be saved and recalled for use on future projects. Optimize your process by assigning different build settings to separate parts. Generate fully associative supports and maintain fine control with advanced parameters for each support type. Mix and match if needed by selecting individual faces as the support target. Generate and simulate the additive toolpath to verify how the part will build, including a simulation of the actual laser path. Combining the additive build extension with Fusion 360's robust design and subtractive capabilities creates a fully hybrid workflow where design, additive, and subtractive finishing operations can be completed within the same environment, allowing for seamless data flow throughout the manufacturing process.